Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make all cells the same size in Google Docs table. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps. Then create your document. Now you can see here are my document with a table, which is all cells not the same size. Now I make all cells the same size in this table. At first you have to select this all table to drag on your mouse. Now right click on this selected tables. Now you can see here a distribute rows option. Just press it, distribute rows. Now again right click on this selected rows table. Then you can see here a distribute columns option. Just press it. Now click outside on these tables. Now you can see I make all cells the same size in Google Docs table very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.